Cristiano Ronaldo, the heartbreaker, who's equalised for Portugal.
Beautiful
The
ball.
captain has
Now it's
stepped
Cristiano
up.
Ronaldo with a chance maybe to seal it, and he has taken it. They're one step closer to Brazil.
Absolutely devastating and straight.
That's Davis Rodgers.
Ronaldo with the shot. Oh, it's gone in! Cristiano Ronaldo gets Portugal's second goal of the night. His second goal of the night.
Ronaldo.
He has only gone and done it. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo is the only Portuguese player to score at 3 different World Cups.
Sensational free
It's
kick.
1-0 Portugal, and was there ever any doubt? What a start for Portugal.